Pumasok ba sa isip mo na blessing in disguise na wala ka sa politics ngayon dahil sa dami ng nangyayari?
Napakadami pong nagsabi niyan sa akin na, wow, Sam, parang blessing yan na kahit papaano, kahit di ka nanalo, hindi ka nalagay sa mga nangyayari ngayong mga controversies. Alam niyo naman, pag politician ngayon, medyo may konting stigma yung tao. They don't wanna be associated with them. Ayaw mga pictures, mga ganun. And ang daming issues, ang daming bashing. So sabi niya na, baka nilayo daw ako, iniba daw yung path ko. But just like what I've said before when I ran for mayor of Manila, hindi ko naman pinaplano yung mga bagay. I didn't plan on having a Maserati dealership or a Ferrari dealership in the Philippines. It just all happened because of hard work, passion, and siguro blessing of God because of what I do, what I share to the people. So, depende. Alam mo, I believe kung saan tayo dalhin ng tadhana, ang lagi ko sinasabi, kung saan tayo dalhin ng Diyos, bibigay natin lahat at gagalingan ko lang.
Pero sa alam naman yung lahat ng self-made man ka, kaya walang pwedeng mag-accuse sa'yo ng corruption.
Yun lang. Yun yung maganda doon. And before I entered politics, I think everyone knows it, we acquired the Ferrari and Maserati dealership even before I entered politics. We have a multinational brand front row all over the world. We have branches in Dubai, the Middle East, even in Australia, Hong Kong, Singapore, even in London, and hundreds of branches all over the country. So people know that. That's why nakakatulungan tayo dahil nga lumaki yung negosyo natin. And not just that, marami pa tayong ibang negosyo. And buti na lang, nangyari lahat yun bago ako magpolitika. So when they try to associate it, because may mga interviews din ako may mga interviews ako ng house tour, may pinakita ako mga sports cars. They try to associate me with that, but of course, sa mga tao, hindi naman basta-basta maniniwala. Lalo na kung may mga resibo ka. You know, that's what I have. I have receipts, I have videos, I have you guys who know my story. And marami ka talagang natulungan at marami nagmamahal sa'yo, marami rin magtatanggol sa'yo. So, marami nagtanggol at walang naniwala. At ngayon, hanggang ngayon naman pinapakita ko. Sabi niya na, ba't ang dami ko daw sports cars? Sabi ko, grabe naman kayo. Nagbigay na nga ako ng sports car na Ferrari nung pandemic. Nagbigay ako ng brand new Maserati, pina-auction ko for PGH. Nagpa-auction ako ng 10 collection ko ng supercars ko, lahat yun, donate ko for charity. Ano pa bang gusto nila?
Kasi lang nag-question.
Nag-auction tayo. Oo, nag-auction. You were all there and I auctioned everything, you know. For me, I always say this, that the true purpose of wealth is to share it with people. Yun lang naman yun And ang purpose ko dito tumulong sa mga tao, bumago ng buhay, and to pay it forward. That's my mission in this world. And hanggang nagagawa ko yung mission ko, yung purpose ko sa mundo ko, yun po yung nagpapasaya sa akin.
Sorry, question lang. Yung na-Diskaya may Maserati rin.
Ha?
May Maserati rin sila.
Hindi ko lang familiar, but anyone can buy a Maserati. No?
Ganun ba wala ng mga background investigation?
You know, sometimes not all the time naman I'm here, and sometimes hindi namin gagawa yung mga background check. And most of the time, hindi rin naman namin alam kung legit ka ba or what. Hindi na namin natatanong yan. We know a lot of businessmen, some politicians, they buy Maserati, but you know, hindi naman namin basta-basta din yung divulge yung mga yan for their privacy. Basta pag may bumibili, may mga kausap silang sales people here.